Can I say that this is the first day? Yeah. Okay. Mattia Guadagnini here, new rider for Husqvarna Factory Racing. First year on the... First year.
First day.
This is Rasmus Jürgensen, the team manager for Husqvarna Factory Racing. We're here in Grevenbroich in Germany for our first rollout with our new MXGP rider Mattia Guadagnini. Yeah, obviously only been a team manager to a MX2 only squad the last 4 seasons. It's a great challenge for me, for the team, for everybody involved here, and I'm really looking forward to it.
Yeah, I'm excited for the change, so I think I look really good on the new colors. No, it's just nice to have a fresh look, but this I really like. I had to be honest.
So obviously for Husqvarna as a brand, it's extremely important to have an MXGP rider behind the gate. It was important for us to try and look for options, and Mattia was a great fit. He's young, he would fit well into our structure and was already a part of the group, so it made a lot of sense.
Already from these first few days, the feeling is really good. It's really like a big group working together, so I really like, and I didn't know what to expect because it's really new for me, but the feeling is already good and we are working together to try to make the best out of everything. Yeah, for me it's really important to have a mechanic that you're feeling good with, because you're spending so much time, especially the training mechanic. So we were racing together a few years ago. I know him really well. We live like 10-15 minutes from each other, so it's a really good friend of mine also, not just that we are working together. So it's nice to have a person that you're feeling that good with, and you can also say something because you know how to ride a bike, and it's really important for me, so I'm really happy about it.
I think many people, they forget how young Mattia is, so only being 21, he fits, he fits quite well into the team, with Kai being 19 and Lucas only being 16, so it's really a young squad what we have.
Yeah, I had already 3 years in the Husqvarna, and there were some good times, honestly. I was racing the European at the time, and I was European champion, 125. Now it's like everything more serious, more professional, so I try to also bring some fresh energy like that year, so I'm really looking forward to be back on white.